Hey Ronnie, this is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing. I just wanted to send you this quick video giving you some tips on how to use a little known secret about Google that's going to help you get results for customers finding you and calling you. And that's all that we're in business for. So, as you can see here, I've actually pulled up a search for your company. The first thing that comes up is your website. And you can see here that it's telling you that the website is down. This is what your website currently looks like. So it's really limited for me to be able to give you tips on the website. I'm going to work around it. I recommend getting your website online as soon as possible and getting it connected to your Google My Business profile here. That way, when people do find you, they can go right to your website, look at some of the services you offer, look at previous jobs you've done, and get any directions or stuff that they need as well. Now, I do want to go over and show you, this is a tool that we use, a paid tool called Ahrefs. This is showing the back end of your website and how the strength works. So your homepage has a ranking of 5. The entire website has a domain ranking of 17. And these rankings are on a scale from 0 to 100, comparing your website to every other website on the internet. And this is the ranking. And it's made by Backlinks. So a backlink is similar to this. It's just another site online linking to your site and pushing traffic to you. Since Google's really competitive, they love to see backlinks, but you got to make sure that they're being linked to, that your site is being linked to relevant sites that are also high ranking. So you have these links coming from only 18 websites. Right now, you have 15 search terms that Google is recognizing you for and putting you in the results for. And all of this is going to be giving you about 51 traffic a month of people coming and seeing your site. So it's really important that you have a website that's online and that has enough content to keep people interested. I also want to show you, this is a search term that your customers will use, Royce City Auto Repair. I actually pulled it right from your keyword list. So there's actually about 60, 70 searches happening a month for this search term, just this one keyword. 60 to 70 people searching every month looking for your service. And as you can see here, we have this map pack, the Google My Business map pack. Now, to get into the top 3 with your company, you need to make sure that you get your reviews going. You need to have your company information, your location, your city, your contact information. All that needs to be filled out on your Google business account. Then you need to go and get something called Citations. Online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, BBB. There's thousands out there. The goal is to have your company contact information on at least 150 more online directories than your competitors, and that's going to boost you right up into the top 3 here. And if we keep going down from a search, your customers are going to see the organic search results. The top few sites actually get changed by Google every so often, called a Google dance, but you are listed here. So as you can see, we want to make sure that your site is fixed. There is a free tool that you can download. It's a Chrome extension called Detailed by SEO, and that's going to help you kind of get ideas for what you need to do to get your site to the strength that it needs to be so customers can find you. All right, Ronnie. Well, if you have any questions or you want to know more about how to get this stuff done on your own, definitely reach out to us. We'll be happy to give you a game plan for what needs to happen. We can do some competitor audits to look at what your competition's really doing. Thank you so much for letting us send this video. We'll try and touch back to get some feedback. Hope you enjoyed it.